Hi, I'm Robert Manji, an instruction librarian at Western Oregon University. Let's look at how Link to Spreadsheet works in Google Sheets. When you've created a data visualization and you're ready to paste it into a Google Doc, when you copy the data and go to a spreadsheet, when you paste it, you get a Link to Spreadsheet option. What this means is that if you make a change in your spreadsheet, you can update it in your Google Doc. It doesn't do it automatically, but it's a fairly straightforward process. So I'm going to choose that option. Now my table is pasted and linked to my spreadsheet. So if I click somewhere near the title, this linked table pops up, and under the three dots I get linked table options. If I don't already have my table open, I can select Open Source, and it opens up my Google Sheets. Now let's say on week 4, Jack actually did 5 out of 5 for a total of 16 out of 20. Now if I don't have this linked, I would have to physically go back to my Google Doc and make those changes. But now, since I do have it linked, I can go to my Google Doc, and there is an update option. Now my table has Jack 5 out of 5 and 16 out of 20. Now if I had a graphic already linked in my Google Doc and I opened up my spreadsheet and I needed to make some changes, say to the pie chart, let's say this was 8 and this down here was 7. So it automatically makes changes in my pie chart here, and I just see that it was saved to the drive. So if I go back to my spreadsheet, there's a linked chart options, and I can update. So now it's updated my chart. So it works both ways. You can open the chart and make adjustments, or you can have your chart opened, come back, and update it. So it doesn't do it automatically, but it is a nice way to make changes to your Google Sheets and then have them appear in your Google Doc. And that's how linked to a spreadsheet works in Google Sheets and Google Docs.